Hi. Today is Saturday, October 20th, and we're in Carmel. Dan's the camera operator. I'm going to go diving today, or hope to. And this is down at Pebble Beach area, and at the pier. And so I'm going to go out this way, and then go out around the point, and head up towards Cypress Cove. It's about a 45-minute paddle. And do some diving out there, and I'm bringing my new GoPro camera with the underwater housing and see how that works out. That's assuming that the conditions are okay once I get around the point. If it's rougher, then I'll have to come back inside the boat. Right now it's overcast. It's supposed to be a high of 60 degrees today, so really good. I'm diving, Dan's going for a bicycle ride, and we'll both finish up in a couple hours or so. So we'll see how it turns out. Dan's getting ready for his bicycle ride. So Dan's got limited hopes on how my GoPro filming will go based on our bicycle ride.
Just basing it on experience. It was not good.
No, I
had to rely on my video, which I wasn't planning on using it.
Yeah. I ended up filming a whole bunch of just ground from my helmet video thing. So he's going for his bike ride. He's going to ride up to, we're in Carmel, he's going to ride up to Monterey and back while I'm out diving.
I'm off.
You're off. Have fun.
You too.
Okay, I'm at Cypress Cove. At the top of that big rock is a cypress tree where a lot of postcard pictures are taken from. Up on, I don't know if you can see it, but up on the hill you'll see some jackets up there. It's a vista point to take pictures and whatnot. People stop there on 17-mile drive. Lots of kelp. And I tried to pick a flat spot. I'll just dive here and I'll probably go from my kayak inward. It's about a 45-minute kayak paddle to get out here from the beach. Kind of dark underwater.
I can still see you. Though you seem to be dawdling around, I see you barely paddle most of the time.
Looks like I got 58 video clips.
Oh no.